Hey, to use DeX wirelessly on your Samsung Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, first of all, on the both devices, you will have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So let's say that I want to connect to my TV, and I will have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network on my phone and on my TV. Next, I will have to go into the settings, open connected devices, and now I will have to select this function Samsung DeX. Now from here, click to start the DeX and wait until your screen will be available. So as I said before, I'm trying to connect to my TV, so I have to click just right here and I have to click to start now. There we go. And all I have to do right now on my TV is to accept the request with my remote control. So there's like three options in my LG TV. There's like accept, block and decline, so I have to click accept, and after this I will be able to use DeX wirelessly on my TV. If you want to connect DeX with the wired method with a cable, you will have to actually use the HDMI cable and the USB-C cable that you can actually plug straight into your port on the S24 or S24 Plus. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.